rising to the star. We just wherever the loving gone. Long time ago, wherever the loving gone. I don't know. I ask, wherever the loving gone. Long time ago, wherever the loving gone. I don't know. Yo, violence around Jamaica like fence. Government a fight it from ever since. For the simplest thing, me see shatterings. Me don't know where them a eat or where them a drink, or where them a smoke or where them a think. Wherever the loving gone. Long time ago, wherever the loving gone. I don't know. I ask. Read him up. Me just. You see when some man see the elders them and see the people them, they want to say, hey, the people, the same time me so now, me just say, got to keep, evening, howdy today, good evening, howdy today, good evening, got to keep it real. So let we keep it real. Sign and seal all green say. Hey, yo. A good evening. Don't you know it's another day for you and me in this struggle together here. Evening, howdy today. A good evening, howdy do. Just love it your neighbor like you love yourself. No love themselves so they don't love no one else. You better be true, cause what you do come back to you. Hey, what goes around come forward around. No for them love lost and cannot be found. Anything I be a struggling with your guan. So when me step over mama, me just say mama, oh food, how the cooking. Mama reply, all green pudding. But I cook the food not enough. Alright, rain a fall but don't it tough. But I cook the food not enough. Alright, rain a fall but don't it tough. But I cook the food not enough. Rain a fall but don't it tough. No rotted. But I cook the food not enough. Rain a fall but don't it tough. No rotted. If you have no food, then you cannot survive now. Food for your kids, and me say food for you. Hungry habit, and me say white squall buy now. That no right, now me make the fire. Like Georgia, I will light it. I know what's hungry is like. So I will catch up the fire that's a put on the pot. But I cook the food not enough. Alright, go. Rain a fall but don't it. What them say pretty. We are different chat them make we show them say we not pretty. Yo, I tell them, go hard man. Go hard or go my galang. I'm telling